मैं विवेक कुमार आप सभी को अपने YouTube चैनल सेल्फ स्टडी गाइड में स्वागत करता हूं। आज हम पढ़ेंगे करंट अफेयर्स मार्च 1 का। इन इंडिया द नेशनल साइंस डे इज ऑब्जर्व एवरी ईयर इन विच डेट? आंसर है सी, 28 फरवरी। National Science Day is celebrated on the 28 February each year in India to spread the message about the importance of science in the daily life of the people. Natalia Mikhailovna Vodinova has been appointed as the UN Population Fund Goodwill Ambassador. Is a supermodel from which country? Russia. The World NGO Day is observed on which date? A. 27 फरवरी। India player R. Vinay Kumar has been announced his retirement from which sports? Cricket. Former Indian cricketer and Karnataka captain R. Vinay Kumar has announced his retirement from the international first-class cricket. What is the theme of the 2021 National Science Day? साइंस डे की थीम क्या थी? फ्यूचर ऑफ STI, इम्पैक्ट ऑन एजुकेशन, स्किल एंड वर्क। When in Rare Disease Day celebrate in India? Answer है B, last day of February. The Rare Disease Day is observed every year on the last day of February. This year 2021 it falls on February 28. Shard Gullani has been recently been appointed as President and Chief Technology Officer of which bank? Answer है D, AU Small Finance Bank. Which government has announced a ban on hookah bar? Answer है B, Jharkhand. Which country is the chair for the G20 Finance Minister and Central Governor meeting of 2021? Italy. The Union Minister of the Finance and Corporate Affairs Nirmala Sitharaman participated in the first G20 Finance Minister and Central Bank Governor meeting under the Italian presidency. Which day is observed as the National Protection Day in India? 27 फरवरी. What is the theme of National Protein Day 2021? Powering the plant protein. Which bank in India has recently tied with JP Morgan to live skill blockchain technology link of the US-based bank? SBI. The State Bank of India has tied up with JP Morgan to use the blockchain technology link of US-based bank to speed up observers overseas transaction. The G20 Summit 2021 will be edition of annual event. A 6 16 तारीख को. The scientists have been discovered a new species of alpine planet in which state? Arunachal Pradesh. A new species of alpine plant is Arunachal Pradesh birding district has been discovered by a group of the scientists of three institutes of the country. Arunachal Pradesh. Which state has become the fourth state to include a women commando squad in police? Uttarakhand. The Uttarakhand has become fourth state in the country where a squad of the women commando has been added in the police department. India first toy cluster will be set up in which state? Karnataka. The Equus Private Limited is developing a 4 crores India first toy cluster at Kopal in Karnataka at an investment of USD 500 millions. Which state has partnered with SIDBI for developing the MSME ecosystem? Andhra Pradesh. The SIDBI has announced that it has entered into a memorandum of the understanding with the Andhra Pradesh government to develop MSME ecosystem. CPI for urban non-manual employee is released by which department? Central Statistical Organization. Who has been named to head the US Department of the Personnel Management? Karan Ahuja. Which insurance provider has launched Active Health Policy, India first policy to approve 100% premium returns? Aditya Birla Health Insurance Company Limited. Which city will host the 22nd Commonwealth Table Tennis Championship? B. पंचकुला. देखिए, हम इतना मेहनत करके आपके लिए करंट अफेयर्स लेके आ रहे हैं, तो प्लीज़ कृपया करके हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अपने ग्रुप में शेयर करें और बेल का आइकन भी दबा दें और लाइक भी कर दें अगर अच्छा लगे तो. ओवर विच रिवर विल इनॉग्रेटेड द वर्ल्ड हाईएस्ट रेलवे ब्रिज? Chenab. The world tallest railway bridge will be inaugurated over Chenab River in Kori area. Which country has become the first country to get free COVID-19 vaccine through the COVAX scheme? Ghana. The Ghana has become the first country in the world to receive vaccine acquired through the United Nations COVAX initiative. Which country has signed 4 MOU with Nepal to reconstruct its 25 health posts as a cost of 530 Nepal rupees? India. India has signed a MOU with Nepal to reconstruct the 25 health posts at the cost of 503 million. The Archaeological Survey of India. The Archaeological Survey of India has discovered Buddhist monastery in which state? Jharkhand. The Archaeological Survey of India has unearthed a Buddhist monastery in village situated in a hilly area of Hazaribagh district of Jharkhand, who has been appointed as the president and CTO of AU Small Finance Bank, Sarad Golkani. गुलकलानी। द इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिएगा जिनको भी इसको याद करना होगा, देखना होगा। द वर्ल्ड बैंक हैज़ साइन अ लोन प्रोजेक्ट फॉर क्वालिटी एजुकेशन विच इंडियन स्टेट नागालैंड। द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ नागालैंड एंड द वर्ल्ड बैंक टुडे साइन a 68 million project to enhance the governance of schools across Nagaland. The South Regional Officer of CCI has been inaugurated by the Finance Minister in which city? Chennai. The Union Minister for Finance and Corporate Affairs has inaugurated the Competition Commission of India Regional Office in Chennai. What is the theme of the FICCI Higher Education Summit? Higher Education 2030 RIAC। देखिए अब हम सिर्फ आंसर बताएंगे, आप थोड़ी देर के बाद आप अपने आप इसको पढ़ लीजिएगा क्वेश्चन को। आंसर है इसका बी। आंसर है ए, फाइनो पेमेंट बैंक। तमिलनाडु। आंसर है डी इसका। आंध्र प्रदेश। ए, अनिंद्या गुदत्ता। दिल्ली। थैंक यू, और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करिएगा, क्योंकि बहुत मेहनत से वीडियो बनाते हैं हम आपके लिए, अच्छे अच्छे आइडिया ढूंढ कर ले आते हैं कि करंट अफेयर्स की तैयारी